Hello everybody. This is our first morning chore to let the rooster out of his little house, the rooster house. There he is, Roo. Good morning, Roo. There's the girls with their new rooster friend, Big John. We just let them out of their house. And there's Roo, the rooster, who's outside. He gets visitations outside the pen. He's not allowed in. And look at who's loose again. It's Mr. Murray, little bull calf born in January. And he's walking out here where he shouldn't be. Come on, go on. Here's the baby, hopping and skipping as babies should. Saying hello to Lincoln. Lincoln says, what's this? And there's Mom just pawing the ground. There we go. Hey little gal, how are you? And here we are checking the cows for babies to see if we have any babies. Our first stop is with Barbie. Olivia's saying hello to Barbie. And will Barbie let her does Barbie want a hug this morning? Yes. Oh, no, she says, I'm just okay. Then there's two cows over there, Francine and Clemmy, with the hay pile. So let's see if there's any calves over the hill down there. And here's Puff with her January calf, Lucy, who was got herself stuck in the holding pen last night. But you can see she's enjoying her breakfast buffet here of mother's milk. Hey, Puff. We're headed over to check on the bulls now. And today we actually have a bull in the pasture with the steers. Here's Sam. Oh, that's Clyde? Mm-hmm. There's Clyde. Let's say hello to Clyde. Good morning, Clyde. How are you, buddy? That's a good boy. Good morning, Clyde. He says hello. And we'll come over here and say hello to Blain. How are you, Blain? He's a real honest-to-goodness bull. And yesterday, hey, buddy. Morning, Blain. Good morning. Yesterday, he came back from his date with 3 beautiful Highland cows. And he's in with the boys now. So this really can be a bull field. Say hi, Olivia. And there's Cooper lying down over there. So we're signing out from Miles Smith Farm. Looks like there's no calves today.